Hello everyone. If you are using WordPress and want to make a pop-up to collect leads or to promote your offers, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a pop-up easily in a few steps. So let's get started. First of all, we need to install and activate PopupKit plugin. So for this, we need to go to the plugins section and then add plugins, and in the search bar you need to type PopupKit and then you can find PopupKit here. As I have already installed PopupKit, so the button is not visible. If you haven't installed it, it will show like this, and you can see that more than 50,000 people are already using PopupKit for their website. So after navigating to the PopupKit page, you can see a blank page here, as we haven't created a campaign yet, so this page is blank. Now we need to create our first campaign. We'll select this button, and now we have come to the template page. You can see different types of campaign available here: pop-up, floating bar, full screen, gamified, slide in, inline. And for this tutorial purpose, we are using pop-up. Now I will make my first campaign using this template, and I will click this and I will name it like first campaign and select import. Okay, the campaign spelling is wrong, so my bad. I am fixing it, and that's it. This is our first campaign, and we need to edit it to make it. Now if you don't like this template, you can also customize it. You can customize by changing the images and also changing the text and also the color. I am just changing the width of this a bit, and now this is ready to go. Now I will configure the display type, and open event is the most important thing, that when you want to activate the pop-up, there are lots of options available: on page load, after inactivity, page scroll, on page exit intent, click count, custom selector click. For this tutorial I am using on page load. You can also change the animations, you can also change the display conditions, etc. So for this tutorial I'm keeping it simple, so I am just selecting on page load. So after that I will activate the template and also save it, and now I will go to the my website and I will load it, and you can see the pop-up appears after the load. So this is how you can make a pop-up with PopupKit. So that's it, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment, and thank you everyone for watching.